We go to the bottom of the fifth. Fouled into the backstop. Number 13 is up. He's singled to left in his one at bat. 0-2. Brookline scored 5 in the top of the first. Bold scored 3 in the bottom of the first, 1 in the second. That's been all the scoring in the game. 1-2. One and two, no one out. We're in the bottom of the fifth. Pitch from Ben. 2-2. Pitch. 3-2. Payoff pitch. Just high. Ball 4. 99 is up. He struck out swinging his first time up. He was also just warming up in the bullpen. And if he's going to come in to pitch.
Now batting extra hitter, Jaden Sylvia.
That's a strike, right? Nope. He called it a ball. He called it a ball. Deceptive. 1-0. Runner's going. Ball's in the dirt. Gets away. It's 2-0. That's a potential tying run moving to second. There's still no one out. We're at the lower part of their batting order. This is the 9th place hitter. Runner at second, there's no one out. 2-0 is the count. Foul. 2-1. Two and one, no one out. We're in the bottom of the fifth. 5-4 Bandits. Bench pitch. He bunts. He's safe. Ben got to the ball. He had no one to throw to it at first. Adam had charged. Infield single.
Now batting number 15, Dylan.
First and third now. Brookline's got their infield in. We're up to the 10th place hitter. He's the left fielder. He struck out looking his first time up. First and third, 5-4 game. Brookline has their infield in. Runner at first. There's no one out. There's no one covering second right now. And if Max is going to cover second. Runner's going. He's got no one to throw to at second. They advance the runner. Second and third now. No one out. 0-1 on the hitter. They basically gave him a base. 1-1. I would just send him in. 1 and 2 on the hitter. One and 2, no one out, second and third for Bolts. We're in the bottom of the fifth, 5-4 Bandits. 1-2 pitch. A tie, 2 and 2. Hit the left. It gets by Dev. Two-run score. Runner at first. It's 6-5. It's 6-5 Bolts. We're up to the 11th place hitter in the lineup. It was a curious play because if Dev had caught the ball, the runner was probably going to be out at second. Runner at third held, runner at second took off and would have been doubled off. It is now 6-5 Bolts. This is the 11th place hitter, last hitter in the order, number 10. Runner's going. Throw to second. Ball hit the runner. Ball hit the runner as he was sliding. I believe it was a ball on the hitter. 1-0, runner at second. There's still no one out here in the bottom of the, I believe it's the bottom of the fifth. Foul. 1-1. Pitch. It's a ball. 2-1. Runner at second. Pitch and bend. Grounded to third. Foul. It's foul. It's a foul ball. 2-2. Two and two. There's no one out. Runner at second. Pitch and bend. Swing and a miss. Ball gets away. Runner's advancing to third. He's going to get on a missed third strike.
Now batting shortstop, Boston Bencourt.
Top. He reached on an error to first, and he grounded out to first in 2 at-bats. First and third for Bolts. There's no one out. We're in the bottom of the fifth at 6-5 Bolts. Infield in for Brookline. .07, way up in the batter's box. Foul, out of play. 0-1, first and third. No one out. There's no one to throw to at second. Max has nothing to. You can't throw it anywhere if he gets it. Second and third, no one out. That's a strike. One and two on the hitter. Pitch. It's hit to right. Foul. One and two again. One and two, no one out. Foul at the plate. All this at the bottom of the order. Two runs in, second and third, no one out. Go back to the top of the bolts order. 1 and 2 on the hitter. 2 and 2. Six, 5 bolts. Pitch and bend. It's hit the center, right center. Tony cuts it off. They throw it back in. 2 runs are going to score. That makes it 8-5. Four runs in this inning. 2 hitters up. He's been hit by a pitch and he flew out to left. He went to you, yes. He went to you. Runner at first. No one out. Runner's going. Tony saw to second. He steals second. I believe it was a ball. Runner at second now, 1-0 on the hitter. There's no one out. 2-0. Just run at him. 2-0. Two and 0. 3-0. Gets away from behind you. Three and 0. Infield in for Brookline. Pitch home. Ball 4. First and third again. John's coming out. I think he has to make a pitching change. We'll come back after the change.